This next example will also be pretty simple, but it's visually powerful. I love using this. So for this, you're going to need an image. I've just got a smiley face under images. Ta-da! I love that graphic. And remember, when you add an image, it also has to be in your assets in your pubspec.yaml. Otherwise, you're going to get a nice big fat can't load asset. All right, let's do this. So we've got a text in there, simply says sunshine. I'm going to add a new container. And in the container, I'm just going to say child, new image. And the image itself is going to be a new asset image. And we're just going to load that asset. Let's go ahead and run this. Hot reload should take care of that. So there's my emulator. And nothing special. We just got a graphic inside of a container here. What we're going to do now is we're going to use a decoration. We're going to use specifically a box decoration with a radial gradient. What we're going to do is put a box around this and then have a gradient and make it look like that sun's glowing, because our lazy graphics designer just gave me a smiley face and I said I want a big, beautiful, glowing sun. So this is, kind of how you can do profile pictures and things like that and really liven up your application. So let's add our padding. We'll say new edge insets all, and let's just say 32.0. Now, this is where things get a little interesting here. We're going to say decoration. We want a new box decoration. And we want a border. So we'll say border equal new border.all. And we get to define some things. So for example, we're going to say the colors and the width. So color, and we want colors dot, let's say orange, along with the actual width. And we're just going to say 2.0. Now we want to act in an actual gradient. And from here, we're going to say new radial gradient. And then we need to give it a list of colors. So we're going to say color. Notice if you don't do that, you're going to get an error because of the new Dart 1.0 specifications. You have to actually define your lists with the actual type. So we're going to say colors dot red, and then colors dot yellow. Maybe. There we go. Let's go ahead and save that. Hot reloading should have taken care of it. Flip over to our emulator, and ta-da, we have this nice, big, beautiful, glowing sun. So you have your container, you have your decoration, we now have a border, and we've got this radial gradient that makes the sun look like it's glowing. That's something you can really do to spruce up your applications, especially if you have profile pictures or something of that nature.